Hey, this is a new YouTube channel. It's called How to Teen, and I'm gonna be showing you guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys. I mean, teen style advice and like how like the basics of style and everything. And yeah, but in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do your hair and how to make it look like this. Right now, it's not gonna look like that for me, right? Because of my long sides and how we're in quarantine and we can't get a haircut right now. But yeah, I'm gonna be trying my best. But let's get right to it. Okay, so first step is that you're gonna want to get your hair damped, not really wet, not extremely wet. Let's see, mine isn't extremely wet. See, it could still stay up, but you're gonna want it to get it. You're gonna want to get it damped, and don't forget to get a little bit of the sides and the back. Okay, not just the front. Okay, so the next step is that you're gonna, well, if you have a pre-styler, which I do not, right? Okay, so first apply your pre-styler to your hair, right? And make sure you get it on your scalp, like really on your scalp. Okay, and like make sure to spread it out evenly. But then next step is you're gonna want to get your blow dryer or whatever, right? And you're gonna put it to on the hot setting. Okay, but don't make sure not to get too close, like this close is way too close to use the hot setting, right? Because it can damage your hair, so just be careful with that. So maybe use it like this far away or something. And I'm just gonna be shaping my hair basically how I want it, okay? So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna come back and update you guys. Okay, so instead I'm actually gonna show you guys how to do it, but I'm gonna be muting the video because nothing is gonna be way too loud, okay? So let's get it. Okay, so this is not your finished result, but this is just you're shaping your hair the way that you want it to look like, right? And now you're going to be getting your product, and in this case I'm going to be using putty from Old Spice. Exactly. Okay, so don't get a lot because honestly a lot is not healthy for your hair, especially if the product has fat chemicals. Maybe get like a fingertip about this long. And look, my hair is like extremely long, so this is just proof that you don't need that much. Right, I don't know if you can see that, but you're gonna want to spread it. You want to spread it evenly across your hands until it looks like something like this, and it's almost invisible. And start from the back and work your way to the front. And it's okay to mess up your hair because you will fix this later with the blow dryer. But make sure to spread it evenly all across the hair. And I'll show you once I'm done. Okay, so now that you spread the product all around your hair, get your comb or whatever you're gonna use and put it into place. And don't worry about making it too perfect because we will be using the blow dryer again and it will eventually mess up. But this is just to put your hair in place for you to have like a sort of like an idea of how it will end up looking like. So this is how my hair will end up looking like. Like I like to rub my fingers through my hair when I do my hair. Maybe have something like that to add a little bit more texture. And don't forget the back. Okay, so so on to the next step is you're going to need you're gonna need your blow dryer once again, but this time set it to the cold setting, right? And it doesn't matter how close you get your hair, you get the blow dryer to your hair because it will not damage the hair at all since it's on the cold setting, and cold is healthy for your hair. So Okay, so now, once you're done blasting it with cold air, it doesn't matter if you get it messed up like I did, but you just get your comb again and you just brush. And don't worry about getting too rough with it because the cold air locked it in place, and as you can see, my sides are way too long. And the top is a little bit too long as well, which is why it's not giving as much volume as it is in the picture I showed you guys earlier. But yeah, this is the finished result. You can see, it's not bad. Just gotta clean up the sides a little bit, and that's it. I hope you guys like this video, and you know, subscribe if you want to, leave a like if you can, and maybe comment about the next video that I should make. And thank you for watching. This is How to Teen. See you guys next time.